Welcome, here I've got HUAWEI MatePad Pro and I'm going to show how to turn on and off the camera leveler at this device. So at first we have to click on the camera button here. And now the most important information is that the camera leveler here is only available in the video and the camera pro mode, not in the standard photo mode. So to get access to it, we have to change the modes by using this settings bar here and just simply slide up to the video mode. So I'm going to turn on the camera leveler at the video mode and then turn it off at the camera pro mode, because when I turn it off on and off at these two modes, this is connected and it appears in this mode and also in the pro mode at the same time. So let's go to the more advanced video settings, which are here at the left. So by tapping on this button we get access to it, and as you can see here we have the horizontal level. So by turning on this button like that and turning it off, we can easily manage this. So I'm going to keep this turned on to show you how it looks like. And as you can see, we have this line, so it appears like that. And this should help to keep our topic straight at the photo and at the video, like that. This is how it works. So now I'm going to change the modes to the camera pro mode, which also have access to the camera leveler. So let's go. And as you can see, here we are in the camera pro mode. So this is also our leveler, which was turned on in the video mode. And to turn it off, we go to the settings at the left, and as you can see here we have the horizontal level and can turn it on and off by using this button also, like then in the video mode. And I've turned it off, so it is not available for now. And to show you the video mode, it was also turned off like that here. So that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.